Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tasikmalaya News Update. I am your host, and here is the latest news for today. The roof of a classroom building at SMPN Cisayong collapsed after strong winds on Sunday afternoon at around 3 p.m. The incident surprised people around the school area. Fortunately, there were no students or teachers at school at the time. The students were on holiday after receiving their report cards, so no one was injured. Dede, the school security guard, said he heard a very loud noise when the roof collapsed. The school principal, Mr. Dida Nurhayat, said the damage is serious. Some parts of the roof and ceiling fell into the classroom. The school has closed the damaged area to keep everyone safe. He also said the school is worried that other parts of the building could collapse if strong winds happen again. The school hopes the local government will help repair the building soon, so students can study safely when they return to school. That was the latest news from Tasikmalaya. Thank you for watching Tasikmalaya News Update. I am your host, signing off. Have a great day and see you next time.